Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Welcome to the My Shabby Valentine YouTube Hop, hosted by Debbie Adams from Creative Life, Kim Murray from Salty Beach Scrapper, and yours truly, Robin Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I am so excited for this hop. We have a wonderful lineup of talented crafters who will be sharing their shabby chic Valentine's Day designs. We'll also be giving away fun prizes. In order to participate, you must be 18 years or older, a U.S. or international resident, and you must be a visible subscriber to all of the channels that are featured in this YouTube hop. For my project, I've created this beautiful shabby chic typewriter. To make this project, I used a digital file by SVG Cuts. It's from the Good Day at the Office SVG kit, and the file that I used is the typewriter box. I have a separate tutorial that shows you how to put this together, and I will be posting that tomorrow. The paper collection that I used is by Minte. It's called Love Letters. This is available at ASC Craft Supplies. They have 2 retail locations. You could visit them on their Etsy store or on the web. Also, feel free to use my coupon code ROBIN10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. I love the way this project turned out, and I did a lot of fussy cutting. I didn't add a lot of flowers because this paper is filled with beautiful flowers, and I used that as a focal point for my project. This project measures 10 inches from top to bottom. It is 7 inches wide, and the depth is 6.5 inches. On the top, I have these beautiful cut aparts. I use the chipboard ephemera. The first sentiment here says, "You're the reason I believe in love." I have more of these beautiful layered flowers. I had so much fun cutting them out. We've got this little butterfly, a pearl trim, and then we have another sentiment here that says, "Everlasting love." I found this beautiful rose and lace trim in my stash. On the bottom, we have more fussy cut images. We have a stacked letter and more of these beautiful flowers. In the center, I have this peach, pearl, and rhinestone heart. The entire box is outlined in flat back pearls, which I think adds an elegant touch to it. We have this keyboard, and I've backed this with the minty green paper. On the right side, we have a little bit of this peach lace sticking out in the background, and I've fussy cut more flowers, the birds, and I added in more of this beautiful rose lace trim here, and I have this beautiful butterfly here, which is from Renee Bouquets. On the bottom, I have added these bronze cloth feet, and you can see this beautiful flat-backed pearl all around. This is a side. Again, we have more of this beautiful flat back pearl. For the handle, I've added in a button from my stash. This is the back. I fussy cut this image from one of the cut aparts, and it says love. I just think that is so pretty. And then I took this chipboard piece that says Love Letters, the name of the paper collection, and I added this on the back. And again, we have more of this beautiful paper. And on this side, we have another knob that's lined in the flat back pearls and this beautiful pearl button. This is such a beautiful and romantic piece. This top comes off. And inside, it's very deep. It goes all the way to the top here. You can add in a mini album, embellishments, or other keepsakes. Let me give you a view from the back. Let me adjust the camera so I can give you a close-up of these details. Here you can see more of the beautiful cutouts. I just love these floral arrangements. Here we have a feather quill, and it says love. All of these pages have been inked with a rosy velvet ink. Here we have more fussy cut detail and this beaded trim. And because this is a love letter paper, you'll notice throughout the paper line these beautiful envelopes that have love letters inside. Here we have a fussy cut butterfly that's 3-dimensional. And I love this trim, this dusty rose. Here's a beautiful rhinestone piece. And again, you can see that this is completely lined in pearls. And in the corner, more of this lace. I love these butterflies by Renee Bouquet. They are laser cut chipboard pieces. We have a sentiment from the paper that says love letters and more of this lace. And here's a close-up of the bronze feet. I really love the way this shabby chic typewriter box turned out. This is a lovely gift box. It could also be used as a home decor piece. I could see it sitting on a desk or a fireplace mantle. It's a beautiful piece that you can display any time of the year. This concludes my review of my shabby chic typewriter. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, be sure to visit the other designers that are participating in this YouTube hop, and be sure to subscribe to their channels to be entered into our giveaways. And last but not least, be sure to join us next Saturday, January 30th at 11 a.m. for our next Shabby Chic project in the My Shabby Valentine YouTube hop. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.